Welcome back to Rise Above with Simple Healthier Living. So let's start part 10. We need to revisit the broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage 5-gallon bucket system. So what I need to do is I was going to remove the little containers that I had it growing in, pull those out, and then fill those and pack them clear full of LECA rocks so that I could brace those. So that's what we'll cover for part 10. All right. So I need to continue on with this bucket system. So in part 4, I believe, we planted these. And I used a little bit of soil just down low in these buckets. Then I believe it was in part 7 when I was working on some other things in the grow tent that I needed to thin out some, and then some did not grow, so I transplanted them. So you can see right now, all of the ones that I transplanted are still alive. So these have just been growing for 30 days now. But before they get too spindly, is spindly a word? Yeah, I think it's a word. If not, it's just my backwoods word. Good enough. Anyway, so I put this table here. I'm hoping that you can see. So what I want to show you, I'm just setting up something so you can check this out. So on each one of these, so that I do not have to raise these lights, I'm going to look to see if they have a root system. Oh my, beautiful, beautiful. I'm going to set that right there, maybe right there. So my goal is to try to, So my goal is to try to remove these little containers that I started them in, but they got a little bit bigger than I expected really quickly. So what I'm going to attempt to do is try to remove, ooh, mercy. Well, the ones in the toilet paper roll, oh my. Okay. Well, you could see that that just fell apart. But my goal is to try to fill all of these large neti pots with my LECA rocks to try to brace up. Whoop. Broke it off. Yum. Okay, that one didn't work out so well for me, but let me put a little bit more LECA rocks in it. Okay, and you can see that I'm growing some air roots. Let me try to get this put back in here. Okay, let's try to do one of the cabbage. Yes, it has air roots. So I'm going to set it here. And I'm going to take these leaves. I'm going to try to protect them the best I can with my hand. And pull. Remember my original thought? I was just going to slide these right off of there. That one kind of worked. Okay, let me try to protect this thing. probably should have done this 2 weeks ago before everything got away from me. Again, oh, that's actually even better. So here's one. I don't know if you can see. It's one that was in the toilet paper roll. So I'm going to try to wiggle this thing out of here. Remember, this whole thing was an experiment for me. How about we just try to tear it? Yeah, that made a little bit more sense. Okay, you can kind of see how it's all loose and spindly. That's what I'm trying to brace up. I'm trying to give it lots of support. That one doesn't look too bad. Oh, loving those roots. Cauliflower. Oh, this may have been one that I transplanted. Okay, so this is one of my cauliflower. I did transplant when I thinned out one of my cauliflowers, I did transplant one in there. But then I also made myself a little note on the 17th, which is just a couple of weeks ago, where I planted a seed as well. Seed's not up. I don't know if this is, I'm assuming this is the transplant. Let's just go ahead and put LECA rock around it. Let's pull this thing out. Okay, you can see that I shared the good, the bad, the ugly with you. Total experiment. But if we're eating broccoli, cauliflower, and cabbage this summer, then it's a win. Let me give you a view of what they look like now that I'm finished. 2 broccoli, 2 cabbage, and 3 cauliflower. This particular one right here, that has the little star on it, we're going to keep an eye on it because that was the one that didn't have a root system. So I'm going to try to force a root system growth by watering the top of it a little bit here. Okay, almost caught up with the mess that I left for those 2 weeks that I was busy doing everything else. I think next we need to probably do something about these sweet potatoes. Remember I just planted those just 2 weeks ago? Actually, 3 weeks ago. So I have got to get these snipped off and put in some jars so I can start growing some roots. If you like these videos and if you're learning anything, please like, share, tell other people. I'd really appreciate it. See you on the next one.